So, as you know, there must be someone with us to join and give us a company so that we can have a very great trip. And then look guys, who have with me one of best buddy and then one of our creator, Travel Ani Barach Kahi. So hanging out with my buddy, big shout out for him, and then I'll give him the link in the description so you can check it out his channel. Maybe he can introduce himself in his own language, the Marathi. So go ahead.
Guys, do subscribe him. He is a great content creator. Just like his channel, share, subscribe and spread his channel. So you will get to see lots of good videos and good content in his channel. So do subscribe him.
Travel Ani Barach Kahi आहे मराठी ब्लॉगला सबस्क्राइब करायला विसरू नका.
सबस्क्राइब करा.
So as I told, it's the main waterfall. It's kind of like really easy to reach, but this is, you can see like it's about a kilometer trek and maybe many more, but still we are on the way. So boom baby, let's go. Am I hiding? No, because last time you told me I'm hiding and I saw the footage and then I see I'm not. So guys, we are here at the waterfall. It's so close, like couple of meters. And then it's like 4 kilometers away from BHIVPURI station, which is like 10 station away from Mumbai, main Mumbai. And then it's a very beautiful place, I'm guaranteed you. And then here we are, we're gonna go on the waterfall, enjoy and see you guys with me. Come on, let's go. This is it, guys, this is it. What do you want else? So it's a very nice location, very close from Mumbai, and that's what you want. Believe me, this is one of the best location you ever got. So this is AjinkyaG signing off from AjinkyaG. Peace.